Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Friends, today we're talking about clarity check review is legit or scam. So guys, this is a reverse phone number lookup. You can search for almost any phone numbers to identify the owner and find out for names and address and family members and social media profiles and email address and location history. Just type your any phone numbers or you can write just email from here and enter for example this email for example this email and click search. You find all validated emails and delivery capacities. So guys, the websites have customer support. You can have customer support here. You can subscriptions, you can cancel your subscriptions. You have contact options, the help center option you can see here. If I check guys the domain review on Trustpilot, I see 3.8 review from 60,000 members. It's good reviews guys. And this, if I check domain age, the domain age some registered almost 4 years ago, 2021. So guys, just do your own research before purchase this service. And I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.